Well, get a load of this, guys. What is this? Yeah, this is he work here, all right? He doing his brakes, right? So he got stuck. All right, he borrowed my tool to push the piston in. That's no big deal. But look, he having a hard time going around, walking around, finding somebody with a tool that'll go in there. All right, y'all see that? Sorry, son, sir, I do not have a tool. That's not your typical torque bit. Okay, so should I have those? All right, I pride myself in having tools for just about every occasion, and I regret to inform you that I do not have such a tool. What is this? CarQuest. We're going on with CarQuest parts, okay, instead of Mopar. Shame on him. All right, we're gonna have to teach him better. Yeah, this is a VW though, guys. It's nice. All right, but I don't have this tool. So what happens? Do he stop? Now you need that tool. If he just putting pads on, you don't have to take this bracket off. I don't see no rotors over here, so what's the point? Let me ask him. See, if he's not replacing rotors, you don't have to remove this. All right, again, let me take a look, because I might want to invest in some of these. Y'all think I'm going to be working on these a lot? My phone it won't focus because that's too close. I don't have that tool. Let me find out if he's doing rotors. Y'all hold tight. Listen, man, if you're not replacing rotors, you don't got to. Right, that's when you don't have to take this off. Okay. Yeah, just put your pads on there. Yeah, you good. Just why ain't you replacing rotors?
No, I want to. I just don't have the tool for it.
Oh, so just slap the pads on and go. You don't have to take this off to do the pads. Yeah. You should be good. So y'all see my current situation, right? I'm at Harbor Freight now. I uploaded a video. What's funny and what's crazy is it was a shorts video of an incident where I had a coworker working on a damn VW, right? So he was doing brakes on the VW and he ran across a special tool that he needed that, get this, nobody in the freaking shop had, right? So I made the video, right? And oh my goodness, in the comment section, people was like dogging me out for not having, what was the name? Triple square sockets. Like all master mechanics should have triple square sockets. Now I'm going, first of all, what does Master Tech have to do with it? Is this it? No, this is a torque. That's what does Master Tech mean? All right, let me ask that question. What the hell does being a Master Tech mean? Does that mean in your toolbox you should have every tool known to man? No, that's just a regular torque bit there. Huh? I don't know. I guess that's what that means to some people. You should have every tool that anybody would ever possibly need. Now, mind you, we never see that car. In fact, that was his car. Okay, that was his own personal car. So I've never had a need for it. But now that I'm over here at Harbor Freight, and depending on how expensive the day is, all the comment section pretty much done talk me into getting a set, whether I'm going to need it or not. And again, it depends on how much it is. I don't even see them, so let me go down here. Well, what do you know? It don't look like Harbor Freight carries a tool like that. Now, a tool like that, guys, it has to be professional. So that's why I'm down here in the icon section. Those little all those little bits, they have to be strong in order to survive the work being applied to them. Okay, so yeah, I don't see none of it. Let me show you something. Y'all see this? This is how you know 10 millimeters is the most popular tool in your toolbox. They got a lost 10 millimeter kit set right here. 1/4 inch and 3/8. So if you ever lose your 10 millimeter, just come get the whole damn kit. Okay, no luck in finding that triple square socket bit. I don't think I ever need it anyway, guys. It was just one of those things where y'all made me feel bad. Let me go down here to the cheap section. Now, I say cheap, but it's still lifetime warranty. Yeah, I looked all over here. I don't see any. It's regular torque bits, so I'm not gonna worry about it. If I ever need one, I guess then I would worry about it. But yes, I'm a freaking master mechanic. That's right, I said it. I'm a badass Chrysler Mopar Dodge Master Tech. How's that? In fact, I'm the best one out. How's that? All right, to all you suckers in the comment section, I can't believe you're a Master Tech and ain't got no triple square. Let me stop. Today's Sunday, JT. Straighten up, man. Do right. Get your mind right. All right, look at this. Woo. Harbor Freight coming up, y'all. Just 3 times cheaper than the other boys on the truck. Guys, I gotta go. I don't see what I need. So ain't no sense me hanging around here. But if y'all need some tools, man, you newcomers, all right, you don't have to break the bank anymore. Y'all can't do. We didn't have this around when we was coming up. All you veterans, y'all know what I'm talking about. We didn't have this options. Okay. Yeah. So that was the option. All right. So, like I said, I'm gonna get on up out of here. Harbor Freight, man. Oh my goodness, boy! If I had to do it all over again, now wait a minute. All my veterans, where y'all at? Who on earth? Look, they only got one because they know they're gonna have a hard time selling this one. Who on earth still need a freaking timing light? You young guys, y'all even know what this is? Y'all know what a Noid light is? A freaking timing light. Oh my goodness, I threw mine away because it was just taking up space in my toolbox. I needed that valuable space. All right, so yeah, guys, I'm gonna roll. I'm just, every time I come in here, I'm always mesmerized by some of the things that if I didn't have, I would easily get now. We ain't at that season yet, but the summertime coming back up, so y'all might want to invest in y'all some AC. So look, you can buy a can of R1 through 234YF now. Boy, you got to really know, look at this. You got to really know what you're doing in order to invest. You tell a customer she needs 2 cans of these, and you know they're $100, you gotta really know what you're doing to justify such. Push can. All right, y'all better get with the program, man. Boy, yeah. So, like I say, well, damn, spring compressor tools. I still got mine from the old days, but they got these setting up here like this kind of work still go on. Who the hell still lapping valves? Okay, spring compressing out valves and all that. We done with that type of work, man. If you need any kind of valve work, you need a freaking engine. That's the way that's what we coming to now. All right, they've always had jump box, but guys, I'm a jet. All right, I didn't find what I was looking for. I don't know what happened. Well, it was worth the try. Harbor Freight, appreciate you. Now let me go over to Walmart. Maybe they got them. I'm joking, guys. I'm done. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. So long, Harbor Freight. I'll see y'all next week.